Okay, problem 1.2, what we have is they are saying that a person was talking in a small room and the sound intensity level is 6 decibel everywhere within the room. Now there are 8 people talking in a similar manner simultaneously in the room. Okay, what is the sound intensity level? They want us to compute the sound intensity level beta, which is just the sound intensity level. Okay, let's see. Sound intensity level is defined as beta, which is 10 decibels. That is 10 decibels log of I over I0. And then what we are interested in here, we have to compute what is the sound intensity. So what we have here, we have to make a small substitution. Okay, then that is a substitution. We have 60 decibels equals to 10 decibels log of I over 1.0 times 10 to the power negative 12. Remember that I0 is the weakest audible sound intensity, which is its value is 1.0 times 10 to the power negative 12. Okay, from here we have to divide, and then we find that this is 6 equals to log I over 1.0 times 10 to the power negative 12. And then from there, what we can have, we just have to solve for that. Okay, what we find is that 10 to the power 6 equals, those are basic log rules, it's equal to I over 1.0 times 10 to the power negative 12. And then we should be able to find that the sound intensity is given as 1.0 times 10 to the power negative 6 watt per square meters. But now what we have here, we know that IN is equal to that should be that should be NI1, and then the value of I1 here, let's see, we want to find the sound intensity for 8 people talking in a similar manner in the room. Then we have 8, then is 1.0 times 10 to the power negative 6. And then we should be able to find that the sound intensity for 8 people talking in the room, that is 8.0 times 10 to the power negative 6 watt per square meters. Now we go back and then we look at the definition of the sound intensity, but now we have to compute the sound intensity level for 8 people talking in the room, which is 10 decibels log I8 over 1.0 times 10 to the power negative 12. And then from there we know then 10 dB log of, okay, what is the value of the sound intensity for 8 people talking in the room, that is 8 times 10 to the power negative 6, that is to power negative 6 watt per square meters, 1.0 times to power negative 12. This is what we will have, and then you should be able to find that this is 10 decibels, and then if we simplify that, we find that this is 6.903, and then we find that this should be 69 decibels. That is 69 decibels, or else you can just write this as, okay, it's 69.03 decibels. This is the sound intensity level of 8 people talking in a similar manner in one room.